Welcome, beloved viewers, to the Narcissism Freedom channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful truth that many of you may have experienced but couldn't always put into words. The moment when the mask finally falls and the truth comes out, without you having to defend yourself, explain yourself, or beg anyone to believe you. You see, narcissists thrive on keeping their image pristine. They carefully craft the story of themselves that the world sees, manipulating others to believe in their charm, their innocence, and their version of events. Behind closed doors, however, the reality is entirely different. They lie, manipulate, and destroy emotionally, spiritually, and sometimes even physically. For years, you may have felt trapped in their web of deception. You may have spent sleepless nights wondering how you could make others see the truth, questioning your own sanity as they twisted reality. You may have pleaded silently, "Please, someone see what's really happening." But here's the thing, the truth has a way of revealing itself. And sometimes, it doesn't require your voice at all. When the mask falls, the world finally glimpses the real person hiding behind the act. The arrogance, the cruelty, the manipulation, all laid bare for those willing to see. And in this moment, the universe, God, or whatever higher power you believe in takes over. You no longer have to fight to be heard because the truth has a momentum of its own. Narcissists often depend on your reactions to maintain their control. They feed on your anxiety, your anger, and your attempts to prove yourself. Every defense you mount is proof, in their mind, that you are unstable, reactive, and incapable of seeing your own reality clearly. They want you to be the emotional one while they collect admiration for their grace under pressure. But what happens when you stop reacting? When you choose silence instead of conflict, that's when their carefully constructed house of cards begins to collapse. Suddenly, colleagues, friends, family, or even strangers begin to notice inconsistencies in their story. Maybe a long-hidden pattern emerges. Perhaps it's the consequences of their actions that speak louder than their words ever could. The mask begins to crack, and slowly, inevitably, it falls. And here's the most liberating part. When the truth comes out, it doesn't need you to shout. It doesn't need your explanation or validation. It simply speaks for itself. Their lies unravel in plain sight, and their carefully curated image is exposed for what it really is. This is not about revenge or humiliation. It is about divine timing, about the universe setting things right, about karma and natural law bringing justice without you lifting a finger. You've been patient, silent, and enduring. And now, the silence that once felt suffocating becomes your greatest ally. The truth has been your constant companion all along, patiently waiting for the world to catch up. Many people underestimate how powerful silence can be. In a world obsessed with confrontation, drama, and over-explaining, there is a subtle strength in letting go of the need to be understood immediately. When you resist the urge to defend yourself, you allow reality to speak. And reality is far more eloquent than any argument you could ever make. Think about the narcissist in your life. Think about all the manipulation, lies, backhanded compliments, the silent treatments, the destruction of your peace. They thrived on chaos. They relied on you to react, to validate their story. And now, without effort on your part, that story begins to crumble under the weight of truth. You may start to notice subtle shifts in the behavior of those around you. Maybe someone who is blind begins to wake up. Maybe mutual friends, colleagues, or family members start to question things they ignored. Maybe the narcissist themselves becomes desperate, revealing more of their true character in frantic attempts to regain control. And here's a vital reminder. What unfolds is not for you to orchestrate. It is happening because the universe or God has a way of bringing light into darkness. Truth is resilient, patient, and ultimately unstoppable. And it is happening in a way that respects your integrity, not the narcissist's desires. For those who are spiritual, consider Psalm 37 verse 6. He will bring forth your righteousness as the light, and your justice as the noonday. You do not have to defend yourself. In time, your righteousness and your peace will shine unmistakably for all to see. The moment the mask falls is transformative. You see the narcissist for who they truly are. You recognize the destructive patterns they left in your life. And yet, you remain untouched by their false image because your peace, truth, and strength were never dependent on them seeing it. It's important to acknowledge the emotional relief that comes with this realization. Years of stress, anxiety, and second-guessing are validated not through confrontation, but through the silent recognition of reality. This is the quiet triumph of integrity over deceit, patience over manipulation. Remember, this process may not always be immediate. Some narcissists maintain illusions for a long time, carefully controlling perception. But eventually, the mask slips. Eventually, cracks appear. And when it happens, you are free to watch as the truth speaks, without ever needing to say a word. This is the essence of true empowerment, witnessing the revelation of reality while maintaining your peace. It is the moment when the universe affirms that your silence, patience, and restraint were not in vain. Truth, left to its own course, carries a power far greater than any reaction, argument, or plea. So, to everyone watching, know this. Your silence has been a shield, your patience a weapon, your endurance a testimony. The mask will fall, and when it does, the truth will speak, a truth you have always known and lived by. Hold onto this knowledge, and let it empower you. The narcissist's facade cannot withstand the light forever. Their manipulations, lies, and carefully cultivated image will crumble under the weight of reality. And when the mask falls, it is the truth that speaks, a truth you have always known and lived by. So breathe, beloved. Stand tall in your silence. Watch patiently as the world begins to see what you already knew all along. Your peace, dignity, and truth are intact. And in the end, the mask falls, the deception is exposed, and you remain unshaken, unbroken, and utterly free. Thank you for joining us today on the Narcissism Freedom channel. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating videos that empower, heal, and illuminate the paths of those affected by narcissistic abuse. Remember, your silence is power, your patience has strength, and your truth is unstoppable.